a step-by-step guide on how to open the iPhone 14 for repairs. Check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. On the iPhone 14, the back cover needs to be removed to access most internal components. First, undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer for this process. Please note that some phones may require extra heating to separate the back cover. Next, use a suction cup at the bottom to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. Once there is a gap, insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to loosen the adhesive. This step takes time. Be gentle and only use the tip of the tool. Once the back cover is free, carefully open it from left to right, like a book. Please note the back cover is still connected to the board by wireless charging flex. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing the two screws and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, remove the screw securing the wireless connector shield. Take off the shield and disconnect the plug. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the body.